Welcome back. It's a garage conversion this time. Enjoy. So we're just starting our new job. It's a garage conversion. We're going to build a wall, put a window in, turn this into a habitable room. It's going to be part of the kitchen. We first got to take tooth out of the brickwork, both sides. Taking the garage door out, the customer did a lot of that. I've literally just turned up and took 2 screws out and it's dropped out. We've took the gutter off. I've put a little bung in there, stop anything going down the drain pipe. Finn's just tidying up the last few bits of the garage door. Ends up chopping it up with a cutter. We've toothed out brickwork either side. Brought us out some toast and some biscuits. We'll stop and have a break. We're just dropping in the damp course. What are you doing now then, Pete? What? Explain to the viewers what you're doing.
Ready my bed. So far, because they're quite a dry brick, so we don't go too far, so just dry the bed up. Full cross joint. None of this tip and run. Down to the line.
So Pete was just saying that he doesn't do tip and run. And I'm in the trade now, I didn't know what it was, so it's going to show you what tip and run is.
Tip and run. Just there.
All right.
Not full cross joint.
That's not how you do it.
Not how I was shown. Full cross joint. Knocks off the back. Nice and clean work. There we go.
This is where we're up to. Been off the job, so I've not managed to video much today. It's looking alright, we're getting there.
And the picture tells us.
Oh, okay. I'm just having a tidy up. It's a Monday morning, we're back on the job. This is drying out nicely. I'm going to take the bung out, the gutter, and refit the guttering. So today we've got to finish off with a little bit of block work, a couple of courses of bricks to bring it up to level. I was just knocking a mix up. Customers just brought us out some toast and some tea for the morning. It's beautiful. Oh, is that all that's left? So this is the other half of the job. I'm going to take this doorway out, brick it up to about here somewhere, and then there's going to be a window to match that window basically. There's going to be a row of headers underneath the bricks on edge, and then we're going to tube it out. You can see where we've marked up here. We're going to tube it out, same again as the front, ready for a window. Connor was just wondering about this bung, how it worked. And as you tighten this screw down, as you tighten it down, it squishes the rubber and pushes it out and makes it bigger. So it's squashing it, makes it bigger. It can actually make a perfect seal, so it's watertight when you're working on 4-inch pipes. Good bit of kit. Started returning the blockwork on the inside, leaving the cavity. We'll block this up and put a board over this area while we take the door out and take the outside courses away. So it's stripped out on the inside, ready to start the blockwork. I've taken out blocks that we're returning and closing the cavity off, so then we can run the blocks through, put the insulation down the back, and then the cavity will continue through, because before the blocks used to return and close the cavity off. This gap between the inner skin and the outer skin is called the cavity. It's about 60mm on this property. I've not been doing a lot of videoing today because I'm working on my own, so it's taking twice as long. I put this board up earlier this morning just to block this off, so we can start plasterboarding out ready. And then when the window comes, we'll just drop the board off and fit the window. I've done the same at the rear of the property. We've took the plasterboard off existing wall, blocked up, so it's ready to be plasterboarded back into sort of about that level. I've just stuck that block on with foam, so I'll knock that off when the window goes back in. So I've got to tackle the outside now. So we're just about to start dabbing this wall. As you can see, it's already painted. So we're going to score some lines into it with the Stanley knife. That's the wall all scored up. It would just help bond the adhesive over onto the blockwork. Bricks on the floor. See them? That's just to hold plasterboards up off the floor, because about a 50 to 60mm screed can go down on the floor. And we open the boards up. Make sure they fit where you want them to go. So as you can see, these two boards fit quite nice. And the gap here doesn't matter too much, because when this is dabbed out, it's going to come to about here. So it will hide that little gap. especially with the insulated board all tucked down the back of it. It's a bit of a tip when you come to boarding, you can offer your board up and then draw around it. Doesn't have to be accurate, but just because then when you remove your board, see where the board will come to. And when you put your dabs in, you can get your dabs around the edge. I've always been told that adhesive's right if it doesn't fall off the side of your trowel. So if you scoop it up and you turn it sideways and it doesn't fall off, you know, but it's good. Well, it's not the correct mix, I should say. So that's it, part 1 of the garage conversion finished. If you're enjoying the videos, give us a like or a subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.